morning.
Good morning.
7 a.m. What time is it?
Time to eat this bran muffin.
You can't see you, you're too far. Is it good?
Tastes like bran.
Here you go. It's still there. It's like on your lip. We got up early to come to this little coffee shop. I got a pistachio decaf latte.
Raisins, chocolate chips, what is this?
I don't know, but it's all over your face still.
I got
Me and Jace are gonna split a bagel.
I'm better at that.
Yeah, you saw bran all over your chin.
I don't understand.
Both of our stomachs hurt after our snacks at the movie last night.
Too much popcorn.
My nails are all lifting up, I don't understand.
What are you doing today?
Ooh. I've got to finish Arlo Mars website pages with the developer. Finish adding before and afters to Trashy Studio. Because I had coded in that like slider that you could like slide on a picture. You did not just drop the bagel on the floor of the car.
It's okay.
I'm gonna cry.
No, it's okay.
Look at all these baby birds.
Cream cheese on my finger, now I got on my pants. What am I gonna do?
They didn't give us any napkins. Looks like you're gonna have to use your sweater back here. This is not the best knife to cut a bagel with. It almost snapped in half. Wait. Get it. Get it. Here we are again, girls. I'm gonna wash my face, brush my teeth. Do some laundry maybe. Maybe that's a good start to the day. Lots to do today. Ow. Did I brush my hair? Yeah. Sometimes you just gotta put yourself together in the morning. A lot of days I just get up and don't do this. Like sometimes I don't even brush my teeth until like a few hours after I woke up, which is not the best, but my mentally ill girlies know how that feels. Also in the video I posted yesterday, everyone in the comments was being so nice, so if you're having a bad day, you can comment below, and people in the comments are gonna be there to support you. I'm gonna put on a different shirt today, by the way, but for now, we're starting laundry. I'm actually gonna wash my blanket first, a comforter, because I need like to wash it once a week. That is one thing I do keep up on. Watch out, bug. To the wash. I feel one of my other nails breaking right now. Okay, that's done. What did I tell you? I knew it was coming off. I've got some computer stuff to do. I'm working on getting everything ready for the launch of my brand. I need to edit the video. There's a lot to do on that today, so most of today I'm gonna be at my computer, but I will continue to vlog. I also need to clean my kitchen. I've been neglecting it. Look at this, another one. Looks like I'll be doing my nails today too. I have to film a video, actually, a sponsored video. So I have to have my nails done. Okay, let me go do a few things. I'll be back. Oh my God, I just had a cough attack so crazy. I thought I was gonna choke and die. What the hell is happening? I forgot to put my blanket in the dryer. You know when you forget your laundry in the washer for too long and it's like you might have to re-wash it now? No, it's good. It smells clean. My mom still isn't here yet, and the day is half over. Oh, I guess it's only 12:30. I got up early today. I have to take my supplements. Oh, but now that I'm having a cough attack, I kind of don't want to. What am I, an old lady with this? What's going on? Ew, I hate taking supplements. This is a chewy one. I just ate my sandwich, same one I had yesterday. I made it again today. Vitamin D. That's the easiest one to take. Good Lord, this is so many things. I have 3 of these. I think it's calcium. God, it's hard to take. I have to take 3 of those. Oh my gosh, does anyone else struggle this bad with taking pills? I feel like it's just gonna come right back up. What else do we have? Iron. My doctor told me to take 3 iron pills, but the bottle only says to take 1. But I know my iron's low, so I'm wondering. I think I'm gonna just take 2 because I'm scared. Iron. Ew, it feels like it's sitting right here. I have to take like a whole 30-second break in between to make sure it goes down all the way. It's giving pathetic, you know what I mean? Ooh, no. That one touched my tonsil. Okay, 3 more. I can do this. I can do this. Next up is whatever's in here. They look the same as the iron. Like this. There's 2 of them. Okay, that one went down easy. Last one is just a B12 lozenge. So easy. We did it. Barely. Ugh. Tastes like a bad Flintstone vitamin. Sorry you had to see me in that state. I'm gonna do these dishes now. Let's do them. I'm gonna speed this up though. I just sat back down on the couch to finish some work. Waiting for my mom to get here still. The girly is never on time. She's late always. I'll show you what I'm working on. This is for Harlow Mars. Just a little sneak peek for you. I posted that on Instagram already. What are you doing? Are you always with mom? I'm reaching out to people to send Arlo Mars PR. Not a single soul has replied yet. Working on that today. I've just totally, I like forgot that I had to do that. I just kind of forgot about it. Like I forgot it was a thing I had to do with this brand launch. And we're trying to launch like very soon. I hesitate to like give a date in case there's any like complications, and there are always with starting a business. No date officially, but very, very soon. Like too soon. Too close for comfort for me. I'm like at the point where I'm having nightmares about it. Like last night I had a dream that the website launched and not a single person went to it or anything. So I'm just finishing up the website. Not too much exciting things happening today to share with you, but that's just what I'm working on. Also planning the next preset pack. I already have it planned and I know what I want to do, but I have to like figure out the ideas. You'll see more of that this week since I'm vlogging every day. You ever just lay around and try to figure out like what your next move is for the day? I feel like right now, Ozzy, I feel like right now my next move is maybe gonna be making a coffee. No, maybe I'll wait a little bit. Come here, come here. Look who's here. Oh my goodness. This is a little baby girl. Baby. Kimmy's here.
I'm not in the mood today.
Why? Are you still mad from yesterday? We'll snap out of it. My mom just left. She took me to Trader Joe's really quick, and then her and Phoebe girl had to go. Am I missing a chair? No. Sometimes when she does the floors, things get moved around. I have a task for myself, so I thought I'd include you. This table situation needs to be cleaned off because Jace hates, oh no, the lighting's gonna suck. Jace hates when there's stuff on the table, and he's coming home from work soon. Is this cute or ugly? So, what else is left to do for the day, you might be wondering? I am again gonna do my nails because what the hell happened? I have to finish some stuff for the website, but that's like not exciting to watch. I want to finish watching the Jeffrey Dahmer thing on Netflix, but you have to watch it at night because like the lighting in here just makes the TV look funny. I think, oh look what I found sitting here. Why are these in the kitchen? My Balenciaga sunglasses. These sell online for like $1,200 right now, and I found them for $200. Like I found them at the regular price that they actually sell for, $2 something. Should I resell them? Because like realistically, are these my vibe? I bought them for the photo shoot. They kind of are my vibe though, aren't they? I kind of just look like a little fly buzzing around the kitchen. That's actually hilarious. I think I'm gonna make dinner for Jace when he gets home, or like have it ready for him. He gets off work in like 30-ish minutes. Maybe I'm gonna have a glass of wine and make dinner. Don't look at my fridge, it's a mess. Got him, well my mom got him technically some pumpkin beers at Trader Joe's. He loves beer, but he like rarely drinks it. Like we've had these organic Coors Light, oh you can't see them. We've had these like Coors Lights. Look at this. Another one bites the dust. Come on, dude. Some Brussies. I know we have some chicken in here.
Tonight we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning?
It's getting kind of loud in here because I have all like the things going. I've got Brussels sprouts in the oven roasting up. I've got our grill preheating. I'm gonna do this chicken that we got. It's like black garlic chicken. And then I'm gonna make this Annie's cheesy rice that Jace wanted. Just a fourth cup of hidden veggies per serving. I don't believe that. It's wine time. Also, I broke more nails. I do this trick Jace taught me where if you put a cold or like a wet paper towel around your wine glass or any drink and put it in the freezer, it's supposed to like get it cold really fast. It never works when I do it. It only works when he does it. This is one of my favorite wines. It's like a little bubbly guy. I don't really drink ever. I used to not drink at all, but lately I've been fancying a little bubbly every now and then. Oh, Jace is calling me now. All right, drive safe. I'll see you when you get here. Okay, bye. He's like, what do you want to do tonight? Hang out and kiss? I can only drink this wine on when I'm having like good health days. If I'm having like a not so good day with like my Hashimoto's or anything like flaring up, I can't drink because it just makes me feel really bad. But when I'm having a good day, it like chills me out. So that's nice. Okay.
Pumpkin ale?
I got you a pumpkin.
You or for
No,
me?
that's for you.
For me?
Yeah. We've got black garlic chicken. I even made a balsamic aioli.
Ooh.
And
Wow.
balsamic Brussels sprouts, cheesy rice.
Looks like a strong one.
I tasted it. I think you'll like it.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Good. This is our dessert. We're gonna be tasting cream cheese ice cream. What do you think?
Sounds like a stomach ache.
Layered with crumbles of vanilla cake and a swirl of caramel butterscotch sauce. Jenny's is supposed to be really good. You've had it before, right?
Yeah, a long time ago when they used to be in clear containers and the names were written on them by hand. That's how old I am.
They're certified B Corp. It's a hard certification to get. The cream cheese is gonna throw me off.
That's it. Well, the one ice cream I got from them was goat cheese, and I thought it was good.
Okay, the butterscotch and cake is really good. Like, really good. The cream cheese. It's kind of like cream cheese frosting, but weird. Look at Lenny. What are you doing? It's growing on me. My gosh, you take such big bites. You commit. You're gonna eat this whole tub tonight. Yeah, I know you.
It's similar to the one I used to get that was the goat cheese and cherry.
Mm-hmm.
It was the same kind of like texture, and it was like mind blowing to me.
That cake in there is so good. What the hell? See, when I take a bite of ice cream, this is like what a bite size looks like to me.
I'm a monster.
Let me show you Jace's size.
Well, I don't get brain freeze.
This is Jace's size right here.
No, that's too much.
This is your size.
That's too big.
No, it's not.
That's too
Eat
big
it.
for me. Yeah, it's too
Eat
much.
it.
It's too much.
Eat it.
You take it down.
That's your size.
Too much.
That fit perfectly in your big old mouth. Where's the recipe for this
The
cake,
calorie
though?
count is pretty wild.
Is it?
She didn't say that.
No, I don't want to look. You're not interested in the psychology behind it?
No.
And what do you want to learn about Jerry Garcia?
How you had so many cool riffs.
I think I'm probably the least interested in learning about riffs. I think that's probably bottom of my list of what I find interesting.
He's told me a lot of things, but he told me he discovered a new species of bird at his house.
Yeah, what was it?
He said it was a dove without wings, but the head of a quail.
So it has no wings at all?
Or no feathers, sorry. A dove with no feathers, but the head of a quail. But also, he has paid me to remove demons from his guitar like 6 times, and he claimed last time he broke the neck on his guitar that someone from the Illuminati had punched his guitar.
Do you charge him to remove demons?
No, I just do a normal setup, but I just say, hey, there's no demons in here that I could find. And but he said his
Are you
sister
certified to
his sister
make
put a
that call?
curse on the 3rd fret, and she yeah, that's what I was saying.
Not the 3rd fret.
But yeah, I had just fixed his guitar yesterday, and he came back again today. He said they were I had to get demons out there stealing his music.
Well, I'm gonna do my nails. Are you gonna go in your room then?
I think so. If you're gonna be filming, I don't want to disturb.
I'm not gonna film my nails. I'm just gonna do my nails and watch TV. I'm just gonna peel these off. This is not the recommended way. These ones are lifting up really easy because I think I didn't push my cuticles down far enough. Oh no, my battery's gonna die. I'll show you when I'm done. Nails are finished. They're kind of like a red look because I'm doing like a sponsored Halloween thing, and I feel like red nails were the best for it, so that's it. I'm watching the Jeffrey Dahmer Netflix thing. It's dark, but it is time to go to bed. So we'll see you tomorrow. Say bye, Lainey. Bye, Linky. And Nixie boy.